MONL Frames, innovation meets creation. We are a South African-based manufacturer and supplier of light steel frame systems. We are conveniently located in Vereniging, South Africa, but have extensive operations beyond the province. As a dynamic company, MONL Frames is positioned to serve both the private and public sections with particular focus on large-scale infrastructure development. MONL Frames is registered with SASFA and also has an agreement license for light steel and solid wall building systems. MONL Frames has recognized the need to train and develop new contractors in the use of this technology and has therefore commissioned the establishment of a dedicated MONL Frames light steel and solid wall building systems training center. Comparisons and benefits of alternative building technology. 1. MONL Frames is the first company in Gauteng to construct using the ABT system and have vast experience as well as capacity to complete this project in time. 2. Less electricity usage compared to conventional brick and mortar, determined by the R value of our lightweight steel and mesh frame wall. The R value is a measurement of how well the structure insulates and the heating and cooling benefits directly related to reduced energy use. 3. ABT structures are lighter in terms of their weight. They are more favorable for the ground conditions, and with this system, it is much faster to build other than building with your conventional brick and mortar. 4. We provide a vast amount of job creation and skill development, allowing us to empower communities in which our projects take place in. 5. No cranes are required in this building process, and it is just as strong as conventional building. After strategic, creative, and quality managed planning, we get straight into the process of development. Phase 1. Constructing the light steel structure and bolting down the light steel structure to the concrete slab and installing steel mesh. Lightweight pros. Easy to handle, does not warp and twist, rot and insect free, galvanized material, and it's better than conventional brick and mortar. Phase 2. Plumbing and electrical planning. Phase 3. Fitting temporary bracing and mixing and pumping concrete into the light steel frame. And Phase 4. Fitting windows, electrical work, and plastering of the walls, painting, roofing, and finishing the project or task at hand. MONL Frames, innovation meets creation.